Hi, my name is Alex Arton and you're on the channel Arton Play, and today we continue playing Collect All Pets. All of a sudden, I almost made it. Just look at this, all my team. I also have some shiny guys like a silverback gorilla or a normal gorilla and this frying pan guy. And look at this, I have to collect only one pet. I have to discover only one pet more to open this mysterious... Oh, this is so cute, look at his skin. Okay, so that's not what we are here for. So look at this, I can fuse these 3 bats, and that will be the very last pet to get. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you like that. So one more mythical and I will... Okay, you can see. One more... Oh, that's a huge alligator, look at this. Okay, so one more mythical and we are going to be done with all the species. Okay, fuse bots. Fuse bots. Fuse. Yay! One more pet discovered. And equip. Where it is? Equip best. Oh, that's a close. Okay, I'm so sorry I hadn't seen. It's okay, I am at 24 out of 24. What am I saying? 240 pets discovered. Open. Whoa. Game was waiting for us. Oh no, that's just some kind of a shop. I have 0 firestones. Oh, what's this? Increases the speed of the egg hatching animation, requires cheaper eggs. Cheaper egg. Oh, so we have to start. Oh my god, I want to unequip all pets. Can you please unequip all pets? I cannot see anything. Okay, so I have to afford this one first of all, and then all these guys. And what's this? What does it mean? Oh, light. Let's go to light. I can rebirth and get 6. What will I lose? Okay, let's first of all check it. 10,000 pose, and I got 246. Okay. Delete a random mythical pet. Delete now. Okay, something cool, but it's too far for us. So I can do rebirth to gain 6. Wait. What? I'm studying! Oh my god. Where is... Oh. Okay. So I got this brown bunny. And I got 6 cards. 6 charts. What can I buy? I can buy cheaper eggs. Let's go with this one. And now I can start with the prodigious pets. Pet of your choice. Oh, that's not working. And that's nothing more. Oh, forester. Start with the 1+1 pet equip slot from the forest already unlocked. And that's all what we can afford. I just have 4 slots, okay. Okay, I want to unlock this one. Empty, does it mean? Select. Oh, wow. I want to get a Umbra. I like Umbra so much, okay. Wow. That's cool, look at this. I now have Umbra and brown bunny. This is so silly. Okay, now I have no more charts. Let's go. Let's straightly go. Oh, let's buy the egg. Let's get this free egg. We already have 4 pets. Oh, all the eggs restored. Let's get them all. All the eggs restored. Look at these. All the eggs restored. Okay, total pet score. What about my total pet score? Oh, what? 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 Okay, so my pets are collecting some coins in here. Well, guys, I have never been thinking that I'm going to rebirth today. The best. So we have 15 animals for a next zone. That's going to be a forest. I don't remember what's the name of this place. Oh, the meadow. Okay, that's the meadow. Only if you use extra pads. Damage, I can boost some damage. Let's spend all our coins to boost damage. I want to get this axe. I only can get it with the different player helping me. And I'm interested in something. What's this? Okay, so where is my achievements in here? Total pet score 253, so that's the place where I can review my pet score. Okay, I think I lost all my exotic crystals as well. But okay, let's go for this one. I have 7, I need, okay, I'm 8, I'm an 8. And in 10 minutes we can get one more free egg. I can fuse. Okay. Oh, I got a unicorn. Oh, what? Okay, that's much better. Please give me more money. I got 32,000 from the beginning. Okay, let's boost the damage. Is it? I don't feel like the boost. Oh, sloth! So cool. Yeah, so I think we'll start from the beginning and oh, look at this. It's scary. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning and we'll go back to the jungle world and then we just can visit this place and rebirth. I don't know, what do I need for a rebirth? Oh, I need 340 animals. So I have to discover all animals back. All animals again. Okay, gotcha. So that's not going to be fast, I think. Maybe I'm not right. Maybe I can get this fire charge in a jungle. I don't know. And we almost made it. I think I'll be done. Yay, I got a little cutie chick. Let's go to the forest. Let's unstuck my pets. Let's fuse. funny one. Look at the chicken. She's so kitty. Getting this little free eggs. Whitey cat. Okay. Brown moon. Green dog again. Okay, already discovered her. Now we need 80 pets, or I have seen incorrect things. I also got a beige trophy for a too many quests done. Okay. Oh, I can fuse more. Let's fuse the chicken. Oh, she gave us a little cutie black alpaca. Okay, let's go with the black alpaca. Oh, 40 animals. That's what we need. and I'm already at 19. Okay guys, I think I will do that without filming. Yay. So we'll end up right here. So if you like this video, give me some likes. If you are surprised like I did with this rebirth, so give me some likes. Also subscribe and goodbye.